Hi students, we've been working through this Health Disparities Research module, and we're going to talk now about how to wrap it up. So we looked at fact-checking health information online, we looked at finding health information online and using the library databases through OneSearch. Now we're going to basically put together what you found and share it with your classmates. So for the first part, you are going to put together an APA citation list of 3 quality sources you found. So remember, this is a group assignment. You are going to create one reference list of 3 quality APA citations on your topic for the whole group, but each student wants to upload the assignment so you can get credit. So remember, when you're using the library databases in OneSearch, you can use the citation tools to get a draft of your APA citation. If you're using websites, you can put together your own citation, and that's pretty straightforward. If you need any help, here there's a link to the APA citation guide that has sample citations. And you can also contact us at any point through Ask a Librarian. And we can help you if you want someone to review your citations or you get stuck. There's a rubric down here that shows how we are going to be evaluating your citation list. The next thing you're going to do to wrap up this module is share your best source with your classmates. So you found 3 quality sources. We want you to provide a brief description of the best source. So why do you think it's a helpful source? Why do you trust this information? How is it going to help you learn about this health disparity research topic you're interested in? So post a brief description for your classmates, and then reply to one of your classmates' posts. Pick one that interests you and write a brief reply. All right, good luck, and contact me if you have any questions through Ask a Librarian.